Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Studio dark theme. Many developers spend hours creating amazing experiences, and a bright interface can be tough on your eyes. Switching to a dark theme can significantly reduce eye fatigue, making your workflow more comfortable and enjoyable. It also gives your studio a sleek, professional look. Let's dive into the simple steps to activate this feature and transform your workspace in just a few moments. First things first, you'll need to open Roblox Studio on your computer. Once it's loaded, look to the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see a File menu option there. Go ahead and click on File to reveal a drop-down list. From this list, you'll want to select Studio Settings, which is usually found near the bottom. This action will open a new window where all your customization options reside. Now that the Studio Settings window is open, you'll see several categories listed on the left side. Click on the Studio category. Within the Studio settings, you'll find various tabs. Make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down a little and you will easily spot the theme option. It's typically set to default or light when you first open it, but we're about to change that. With the theme option located, simply click on the drop-down menu next to it. You'll see choices like Default, Light, and Dark. Select Dark from these options. You'll notice Roblox Studio immediately switches to the darker interface, providing that comfortable, low-light environment. Once you've made your selection, simply close the settings window. Your preference will be saved, and you can now enjoy developing in your new dark theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.